Hey fellow woodcutters, Top Saw here. Today we have a test on tool identification in the woodshop and a couple questions on those tools. Pull out a blank piece of paper, put your name in the upper right hand corner, number 1 to 25, and then pause the video whenever you need a little more time. When you're all done, turn the paper over, and then we'll go over the answers as well. Okay, so number 1 is this tool right here. It is the same thing as this tool, turned upside down in a tabletop. Number 2 is this tool right here. Number 3. Number 4. You want to write down what this tool is called. Number 5. And then number 6, what's it called when you change this angle back here? So number 5 is the tool, and number 6 is changing that angle at the back of the saw. Number 7 is this tool. Eight is this tool right here. And then number 9 is what does this thing right here do on this tool? 8 is the tool itself. 9 is this part of the tool. 10. 11 is this tool. And 12 is this part of the tool. So 11 is the tool itself. 12 is this. And 13, what is this thing right here called? 14, what is this tool right here called? 15 is this tool. 16 is this handheld tool. 17 is this big tool run by the computer. 18, this part of the tool. So that 18, what part of the tool is that? 19, what is this? And 20, this tool. 21, what is that thing called? And 22, what is that called? '23, what's this measurement tool called right here? 24, when do you wear these? When do you wear safety glasses? Lastly, what is this called right here? Number 25. All right, if you're all done, make sure your name's on it. Turn it over. That's the end of the test. We're going to go ahead and grade it. Now I'm going to go over all of these tools. Number 1 is a router. Number 2, a drum sander. Number 3, a joiner. 4 is a disc sander. 5 is a sliding compound saw or a miter saw, sometimes called a chop saw. That's number 5. 6 is a bevel. So changing that angle back there is a bevel cut. Number 6 is bevel. 7 is a lathe, wood lathe. Number 8 is a drill press. 8 is a drill press. 9 is a depth stop. 10, scroll saw. 11 is a table saw. 12, a miter gauge. 13, a fence. 14 is the bandsaw. 15 is a belt sander. 16, random orbital sander. Random orbital sander. 17 is a CNC router. 18, a touch-off plate to set the Z-axis. 19 is an impact driver. 20 is a battery-operated drill. 21, a pilot hole bit. 22, a pneumatic nailer. 23, a combination square. 24, whenever you are in a shop. So safety glasses are worn whenever you're in the shop. 25 is a bar clamp because it's on these bars. So 25 is a bar clamp. All right, circle all the ones that are wrong. Add up all the ones that are right. Put a number at the top of the page, however many you got correct out of 25. So if you missed 5, put 20 on the top. Take that number, multiply it by 4, and that's going to be your percent. All right, thanks for watching.